to Kidoscope. Kidoscope is all about learning, unlearning, relearning what we learned earlier. So today's topic is phonetics. And today's lesson is S letter, S sound. When you see this animal, what is this animal? Dog. What sound does a dog makes? Boo, boo, boo. Does it make boo, boo, boo? No, it makes boo, boo, boo. Guess what is this animal? Cat. Right? What sound does a cat makes? Meow, meow. What does this bird? Duck. What sound does a duck makes? Quack, 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 quack. Likewise, as every animal has a sound, every letter in English has a sound. Let's learn letter S and its corresponding sound. Letter S says S. Letter S says sound. Okay. Let's see a small song with letter S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So these are some of the words that start with letter S. Sun, sun. When I say sun, will it give letter S sound? Sun, star, snake, soup, snail, snail, shark, snowman. And now let's when I say star, does it give a sound for us? Does it give a sound? Yes. Star. That's why I'm circling this. When I say duck, when you say duck, does it give a sound? Duck, right? Da is a beginning sound. It doesn't have a sound. So it doesn't have a sound. Okay. When I say, let me clear out these annotations. So when I say dog, dog, does it have a sound? No. When I say snake, does it have a sound? Yes, it has a sound. Very good so far. Like this every day, we need to practice these sounds. So this is one of my kids' favorite game. I spy with my little eyes. Will you please go and get me something that starts with S? And the sound is, if the kid doesn't pick up on its own, we have to give some clues. It will be useful for cutting something like papers, hair and all. You will eat with that is a spoon, that is a scissor. First one I have given a clue. And we will add that into food for the taste, that is salt in the kitchen. Like this, we need to give them. And one more clue is you will be playing with it while in a play area, that is hot slime. So this is a one activity quickly I have set up. If you want more activities like this, please comment in the comment box. I will send the worksheets which are useful for practice for KG kids and junior kids, senior kids, I mean LKG, UKG kids. So draw a circle, identify it. It's an identification activity. Identify letter S, capital one or small s. And when you identify it, circle it around, draw a circle around S and say it's a sound as well. So it's a fun activity for them. So I have identified one. So it is letter S and it sounds. And after drawing circles, we need to join these all S. Okay, like this. I am doing some here. So I have many worksheets with me, which are useful for KG kids, kindergarten kids, and nursery kids. So please like the video and subscribe the channel Kidoscope for more educational videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you. With this, I have completed this wonderful activity as well. This activity will give them hand-eye coordination and a concentration for at least 3 to 4 minutes. If you increase the lines here and the number of letters here, it will be more of fun. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.